My grandma called this the stay full bread. Here's how we make it. It may look unusual, but this small detail changes everything. In a bowl, add 75 milliliters of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or the sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Let's cook half cup of red lentils. Add the cooked lentils to the dough. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and mix everything until it's smooth and homogeneous. Put the dough in a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a towel. Now let it rest in a dry and warm place from 3 to 12 hours. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table, and look how much our dough has risen. Split the dough in 2 portions and form 2 balls by stretching the dough using the palm of your hand. Now let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back one of the 2 balls and sprinkle some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Then roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick, and roll it until it's about 1 centimeter thick. And repeat with the other dough balls. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over a medium-low heat. Once hot, put a bread disc inside and flip it to the other side when it's cooked. Do this about 30 seconds for 4 times. Then once the bread is ready, wrap it with a towel to keep it warm. And repeat with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready! It smells amazing and it is really soft to the touch. And it tastes delicious. The next recipe was made for satisfy hunger for long hours. Watch it in this video.